Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So right now we're going to spend the holidays down here in Florida. We're currently at an Encore Park Topics in Spring Hill, Florida. And we kind of go back and forth between a couple of parks down here, staying 21 days going back and forth between the two parks. We're kind of stuck here actually until the parts come in for the truck. Doggone it, because of the workers, the auto union strike. I mean, they're all back in working again, but they had a backlog of parts. So we're still waiting on the quarter panel. I think they got the door in, but still waiting on that rear quarter panel. So no word yet as to an ETA on this. So I got a schedule down here until April. Yeah, just about April. And then we got to be gone, and we got to head west because, hey, here's a surprise. And I never expected I'd be doing this, but we got a work camping job that we start in May up in South Dakota. So it's a 5-month deal. So we got a plan to help us get better financial shape. We're going to pay off the truck next year and pay off credit cards, and I think we'll even be able to pay off our 1,000 trails as a result of working the 5 months, and also I get my retirement in lump sums. So we'll be able to accomplish all that, and we'll have decent positive cash flow once we get that all taken care of. So we're going to work for 5 months, both Kathy and I. So actually work camping at one of the KOAs up there in the Black Hills. So this will be a different experience for us. So I'll do videos from time to time on the day in life of a KOA work camper. But I'm looking forward to it. It's been a while since I've worked, so I think it's good to work a little bit at least. And it might be something that we'll do occasionally, year to year. We'll see how it goes. And but we can't leave here really until these parts arrive and they fix the truck. So it's kind of disappointing it's taking this long just to get the parts, but hopefully it will be soon. Meanwhile, Christmas has arrived early here at the Robinson's RV. Oh yeah, we got some early Christmas presents. Well, this one I bought. Okay, so in the basement here, I mean, it's a little bit of a mess. I just got things tossed in here. But I had a big ladder. Do you remember the telescoping ladder that I had? It took up a lot of room and I could only lay it down and couldn't sit it up. So I went to Harbor Freight. Wasn't going to buy anything. And then I saw these stacked up. And I said, oh, a telescoping ladder that weighs only 20-something pounds. And it folds up compact. And I was like, wow, that could save a lot of room and some weight, because that other ladder was pretty heavy. So this is much lighter than the other one, so it's easier to get around with. Here, let's do this real quick. Let me get it out. Look at that. That is not bad. Easy to handle and get around. I like it. So And I'll show you how easy this is to set up. All right, so it's compact, but I mean, look at this. So you undo the Velcro strap, and it just telescopes up and locks in each position. Give it a little help there. All right. Now it doesn't reach the top there. Turns out the ladder is only 10.5 feet tall. So a little misleading advertisement when they say 14-foot reach. That is climbing up to the second or third rung up there, and then for the average person to reach up, they figure, oh, 14-foot reach. It's really a 10.5-foot telescoping ladder. But that's good enough because I can get up on the roof. And you know, it feels pretty stable. So all right, so I mean, it doesn't feel insecure at all, and it's rated to a 250 pounds, which is pretty close to what I used to weigh. If you notice, I've lost a lot of weight, but that's a story for another video. All right, so now to fold this back up, all I got to do, there's these releases right here. I just squeeze them, and now it folds back into itself. And it has this slow drop so you don't pinch your fingers. Kind of like shock absorbers, you know. This goes nice and easy. The last couple of rungs, you need to give it a little assistance. And there you go. Compact, ready to store away again. So I like it. I am happy that I got this. So and then the stove and the oven in the RV ovens are just not very big, and they don't cook very evenly. And we've tried different things like a big pizza stone and put it in there to spread the heat more evenly. But even that, it's like cooking with a torch in there. You're always burning stuff in the bottom. So early Christmas present, a convection oven, the Ninja Pro, XL Pro, and those were on sale at Walmart for $179. Now this one was a gift from my stepson to my wife, and I'll show it to you here in a minute, but it cooks in like half the time. So, and it's 1800 watts. So, but we can possibly run that if I got a little bigger inverter when we're boondocking, but it's not something you would want to run for a long period of time. But we plan on doing a lot of cooking with that Ninja oven. All right, so look, we got an early Christmas gift, a Ninja oven. We had another oven here before, and it took up most of the counter. So this is a coffee bar, typically in the RV, but the other convection oven that we had took up the whole thing, and we couldn't put coffee maker there. Now we can. We got the Ninja. They got it from Walmart. This is a Ninja that's specific to Walmart. So there's a couple of features that it doesn't have that the one that goes for almost $300 does, like dehydrate and reheat. Those are the only two functions missing on it. But these things cook great, and we'll do some videos on that. The front feet came beyond the counter though, so I got these T brace brackets, screwed them into the counter, and then these L brackets here to hold the feet in place, and it's pretty secure. No worries there. So now we're all set. But we got, right now there's a bunch of stuff in there, but lots of room. We cooked a 5-pound chicken, whole chicken in there, and it cooked in 45 minutes. So it's great. And like I said, we got room. We got toaster on the one side, coffee maker on the other side, and the oven, and there's enough clearance here. I think these things are fantastic. Love it. All right. And then there is one more early Christmas present that we got. The other early Christmas present is the MPPT controller. So we upgraded from the PWM. So they are a little more efficient, and this can handle 40 amps where the PWM was just 30. So we had 400 watts up on the roof, so we were already maxed out with that controller. This one can handle 600 watts. So the plan is to put another 200 watts up on the roof, and then I'm going to do a combination series parallel panels up there. So each pair would be in series, and then paralleled with another pair that are in series, and paralleled again with the other pair that's in series. So and that'll give us a total of 600 watts. And from what I've seen, the HQSTs have some really good reviews, and so we're going to use it for a while, and then I'll do a review on it as well. All right, so that is an update as to everything that's going on. Some new experiences coming up, but that will be not until May 1st. We have to be in South Dakota, and that job will run to the end of September. So Kathy's got a receptionist job, and I'll be working on the grounds. So it's quite possible you may run into me, because we're going to be there for a long time, and I'll be all over the park. So if you do see me, say, hey, how you doing? All right. I don't have a problem talking with people. So that is it for today. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So Christmas is come early, and there will be more to come. All right, until next time, happy camping. Bye now. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.